In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create power-ups in Trello. Power-ups are add-ons that extend Trello's core features, connecting your boards to other tools or unlocking capabilities like custom fields, dashboards, calendars, and more. Think of them as lightweight upgrades that tailor your board to the way you work. We'll move through the process inside a board, open the Power-Ups panel, and explore the directory so you know exactly where to find what you need. Start by opening the Trello board you want to enhance. You don't have to prepare anything special, just make sure you're on the board where you'd like to use new features. To get to the Power-Ups area quickly, open any card on that board. It doesn't have to be a specific one. This is simply the fastest path to the right controls without digging through additional menus. Inside the card, look toward the bottom of the card's sidebar or action area and find the Power-Ups option. This section is your jumping off point for discovering and managing add-ons tied to your board. It's also a convenient place to see what's already enabled, if anything. From there, choose Add Power-Ups. This opens Trello's directory, where all available options are organized for easy browsing. You'll see featured recommendations and a range of categories, covering things like collaboration, automation, reporting, files, and time management. There's also a search bar to quickly find something specific, like calendars, Gantt views, or integrations with popular apps. Take a moment to explore. Each power-up has a description that explains what it does, screenshots showing how it appears in Trello, and notes about plan requirements or potential limits. Some power-ups are free, while others may require a paid plan or admin approval depending on your workspace settings. If you're working in a shared environment, it's a good idea to review any permission notes so everyone on the board can benefit from what you choose. As you browse, think about the problem you're solving. Do you need better visibility into deadlines, recurring tasks, or progress across lists? Are you trying to consolidate communication or pull in data from another service? Checking reviews and popularity can help you gauge reliability, and looking at compatibility details ensures the power-up fits your board layout and workflow. That's the complete path. Open your board, head into any card, access power-ups at the bottom, select Add Power-Ups, and explore the directory to choose the tools that match your needs. Once you've found a great fit, you're ready to supercharge your Trello board and work smarter with the features that matter most to your team.